for a minute, but I did just post a video about what I eat for lunch or for snack, and you should go check that out. But today I'm doing another tuna video, but it's not going to be the one in the pack. It's going to be the one in the can that says in water, and I'm going to do my own season to it. But if you're new, hey, I'm here. And if you're not new, you know I'm here. And please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know all the videos that I post. And now let's get into the video. So this is the tuna. This is the smaller can, but this is the tuna that I'm using. There's no seasoning or anything on it, it's just in water. But this is the smaller can. You can get the smaller can or the big can. I'm just using the big can. And the big can is gonna make it like this, a lot of tuna. And I never made my own season with the tuna before. So I'm doing the Everglades and garlic pepper seasoning with some black pepper. Okay. Now I don't like heavy season on my stuff, so you will have to try and see what seasons you like on your tuna. But I do like a lot of black pepper. Might just a little more. On it. Okay. Personally, I like these. And these have no salt. Now you can get the one with salt crackers. I just prefer, drinking some water afterwards if you have high blood pressure. Let's see. It's got, I think it's 4 packs in this box. I get this. It's this cheap brand. They taste just like the regular crackers. And I have this sometimes in the morning because I like to, most of the time I like to eat at lunch and at nighttime. But I try my best to eat in the morning. And doing alright with me eating in the morning, but I really don't get up in the morning. Sometimes I do to exercise, and I sometimes just wait to go walk. But thank you for checking out my channel and watching what I eat and different exercise I do to lose weight and or to build muscle. And just give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification button and that bell so you can get all the videos that I post. And like I said, Juicy Sisters, you know I'm here, always gonna be here. And we're gonna go on this journey together of losing weight and building muscle. Because we think we're alone, but at the end of the day, we're not alone. Someone is out there trying to lose weight just like us. And that's one of the reasons that I did start doing this video, to lose weight and plus to help others to lose weight. Like, find different things that help you lose weight and stuff that people are like and wouldn't mind eating and won't get tired of eating. And thank you for watching. Bye, Juicy Sisters.